Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and in here we're gonna scroll all the way down to the last option, System. And then in here, we're gonna look for Reset Phone, which for me is the second last option. Now, once you select that, you can then click on or erase all data. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which includes, importantly, things like music, photos, and all user data. That would be the correct way to say it, not all other user data. Additionally, you might see some application data and Google accounts. Don't worry about those. This is not important. The ones that are important are the things like I mentioned, music, photos, and all user data, which would include, downloaded files, documents and stuff like that. So if you want to create a backup copy of it before you go any further, and I believe if we go back, we do have backup to Google Drive. Now, this is a cloud backup. I do want to warn you about this right away. You can use it, but to be completely honest, I don't recommend it. Google obviously has its Gemini bullshit, and when creating a backup, you're basically giving Google the ability to use your data to train their bullshit AI models, so they're smarter, and that's not even like the worst part. It's creating a backup. You're moving your personal data to someone else's computer on their terms. They're gonna use it to do whatever the hell they want with it, and worst of all, if you don't do anything with this data for, I believe, 2 or 3 years, as there is a European Union mandate, the company is obligated to get rid of this data. So they're gonna train AI using it, then they're gonna delete it, and great, AI that no one can check has now learned from your information, memorized it basically, but you, as the owner of this damn data, don't have access to it anymore because Google needed to delete it. So if you ever planning to back up your device, I highly recommend just grabbing normal Type-C cable, plugging it into your computer, connecting it to the device, and just moving over manually the data that you would wish to maintain. That is going to be obviously, in terms of longevity, the best backup, as it's being stored on your own hardware, your own PC. It's not connected to any kind of cloud. It's not going to be deleted after a certain period of time, and it's not going to be used to train any bullshit AI models. I think that is the best way and the only way you should be ever creating backups. So anyway, I'm gonna just reset the device as I have nothing here to back up, and I'm gonna select erase all data and just move on to erase all data. Now it gives me one last message right here: erase all data permanently. So all of your personal information, including downloaded apps and SMSs, will be deleted. You cannot undo this action. So like I mentioned, create a backup of your data that you wish to maintain. Though moving over things through a cable to your computer, you usually won't be able to back up things like messages that are in your application, as that would be part of app data itself. So keep that in mind. But you can obviously back up things like your music, photos, and any kind of files that you might have downloaded or so on. Anyway, I'm going to click on delete all data. And this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take probably 1 to 2 minutes here to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.